Amazina ninye Kansime 61 nimanya ngo eje video baza kurwana munonga kugiremesa kwika abantu aba bakurwanisa amazima tibaza kuza kwikiriza video eje kutambura konka kora atunge chance wagirebaho Nyambosha yaringire video eje empikira abanyankole abanyoro abatoro abachiga and all Rwandan language speaking tribes abonji nazeta Rwandan language speaking tribes abo kubani nyingi abatakubimanya omuyihanga lya Uganda twinemu abantu abagamba Runyarwanda abe miringweji. First of all twinemu abatusi nibagamba Kinyarwanda, twinemu abafumbira nibagamba Kinyarwanda, twinemu abahutu nibagamba Kinyarwanda, twinemu abatwa nibagamba Kinyarwanda, twinemu n'abanyamulenge. Recently I introduced these banyamulenge, and for sure umunsi ndashaka ngumenye ngo Ikinyarwanda ndakizi neza ndakivuga neza ntabwo mushobora kumbesha ikintu neki byose ndabizi. Video yajawe nkinayenda ngumugitaginge mu abantu aba munshe yaringire video yeji empikire n'abaganda Rumbuye Fred umaru kiseka ka video kanu bwe muba mukarabye munyambe mukongereyo kubankimanyi bana abantu bagenda kasiranya tebagara mazima gatuke abanyankora bine ntekereza eyo mwojo nko musigazo gukempaka nabaletere ibibuzo byanja hino wabazibire okunde byanyu abaganda okunda kabaka wabwe no mushango bakakora mushango okunda kabaka wabo ni mubaharanira ki ekikubajumisa niki ngo abo kujya ngo nibakunda kabaka abo kujya ngo nibakunda cyaguranye nicyo kikubajumisa iwe noho wabalemesize kunde byanyu kurugo mu mwaka gwa 1992 Uganda iri kutunga bwetwazi abaganda babeni baturanitwe twatura nabo twabasengamu twakuriramu twazaramo abana twashoreramo abakazi tibakatubingaga owalesire propaganda yo kujya ngabaganda nibaza kutubinga ngo kubara atungo buhagizi batunga amani nibaza kutubinga noha. Do you know how many presidents of Uganda president ababeni barugo mu Buganda nimbamanya ba Godfrey Binaisa bakaba batari abaganda bakabinga habanyankore ngo barugo mu Buganda. Mutesa Edward akatali kabaka akatali president akabinga habanyankole. Who is deceiving you people ngo abaganda ngo nibasa kubinga abanyankole? Abatine history elizani nyenda kukibagambira in Buganda ekintu kibabeni benda there is nothing like expansion of the kingdom. Expansion no kugira mani okugazia abaganda nibakito okugazia okweyongera amani no buhango obwa kingdom. This was all along the Buganda's dream ekyo kujangu the expand operating in Buganda is also part of success in Bugandan history. Ekyo kujangu abanyankora abanyoro abatora abakiga abakugamba ururimi Runyarwanda bari mu Buganda ekyo nikihindura Buganda the proudest nation, and this they are proud of us. Muroza kabaka afuga miti kabaka afuga abantu mwani yakera kumachana abagamba mbukabaka bagenda kera kumacha bagoba abanyankole simanya abanyarwanda bade wabwe ani yakibagamba. These people they like us because we develop them. Kande jesha hatibache twehawabo kwa we became one. Tukabashwerwamu batushweramu twabazaramu abana twayombeko muri bo tubinemu ebizimbe tubinemu za infrastructures tukurakuranye kitundu cyabo, but only what they hate ekintu kibatakwenda. We are parasites. We are parasites. Turiyoni tubaliro munda, they are not benefiting from their own. The Baganda, what they need is what belongs to them. Nibende bintu byabo. Bagandans are not hating Banyankole or Banyoro or Babatoro or Banyarwanda. They are not hating anyone. They just demand what is their own. Bagara federo yawe. Olwalero tutunuliranga government eno Buganda yenyini nyine jibanja billion bitano ezobuwumbi. Nenga Uganda collecting just 3 billion negena ngezibanja ngetaddeko ne bawanyondo wo mutazituwe tujja kubagira. Ani asobola okutegeka omukole uwe ne bakolera pate uwe nasula enjala nga yetalidde ku pate nga bali wuwo. Omuntu nakujoga to that extent naleeta omukazi namuwasize wuwo ne bakola emikolo gyonna nga bali wuwo kyokka ne bakugana n'okulyako ku mmere. This is what is happening in Buganda. Muzeri mwaveri owamwe ne mujja Buganda ne munyagulula buli kimu kyonna ne mucheza. Buganda teganyiddwamu mu bintu byayo. This is the only problem with Buganda. They are not hating anyone. They are proud of us. Imabwe nchi mutakugenda wanyu mukakurakurana nayo. Okay, let's say just in case if the Baganda are to chase us from Buganda, nyoku bagambire ebyo nkuliro mu Buganda nshomiro mu Buganda okurugo mu 2022. I have been in Buganda. I studied in Buganda. I married in Buganda. I have my own home in Buganda. And if they are to chase us, let them chase us. At least we can develop our own. I want you to talk with Zimbabwe. The only problem was Museveni, not Baganda. Museveni kwera yabe naenda nkole munonga abwencha ataraji kurakuranye kujangu competing in Buganda. At least how many hospitals we have, referral hospitals in Buganda in Ankole. Baganda nibanga habu mukura abakozo mu nkole kushanshabirwa. Amashomero nikanga haga kuzo mu nkole kushanshabirwa kushomeseza yabana. If the Baganda are complaining that they need their city, why Mbarara is not developed either to compare it with Kampala? Ankole hatejesha kutwendangu mukuteshereza ngo baryatu bingo mu kibuga cyabo ahabwenchi Mbarara mutachindure kibuga no kusinga Kampala. For the 40 years awenchi Museveni atarakwatire kishaha akashiteka Mbarara kikazambarara. Tukatungayo another international airport. You people, you are blaming Baganda for nothing. You are hating Baganda for nothing. You should be proud of Baganda because they loved you, they welcomed you, they gave you all what they have. Love, peace, harmony, everything. They gave you their women, loving women. Mushwira bakazi b'Abaganda baryoko nibabanyigire toke nibafukamira ebe bitari yo mu nkole. You are here enjoying Baganda women. They are sweetening you every time. They are massaging you. Ebyo mukamu bihanga ho mu nkole. Hati muryaha muryo mwashamira Abaganda ni mubajuma every day ni mubajuma. You people, you should respect Buganda. Nyoti nkwenda kuchitini so mulimwe kubereni batubingo mu Buganda batubinga tugaruke yo nkole. Obori yawo na nkole kakurakurana. Konkeche chitechereza Abaganda tubakine because they benefit from us. Kaba kafuga abantu, kaba katafuga nsoro, tagenda kukera ku machago babanyanko abago babanyarwanda mbwasigaze Buganda nganjerere. Ebyo bijjawa. Bantu mwe mulekerawo disrespect. We are not going to tolerate that idiotism. Abantu abinendo zentechereza nkeya kakoshoka kempaka. I know you are there. I see you supporting. Video jimujishare njire na Franka Gashumba. Learn what to teach these people. Bachimanyengu Buganda is not our enemy. The Buganda are only proud for their king. They are proud for Kyagulanyi because he is of them. Kyagulanyi belongs to the Baganda. They should be proud of him. Era nakati nsasiro Muganda yena nga tayagala Kyagulanyi. Oteko kubanga either oli mubbi mutemu ngoyagala kwekweka amabega wa government oba oliko ekikyamu ku mutwe. Nze Kansime 61.